Uh, Bhagavad Gita is just one of many Gitas that are there in the Hindu Indian literature. There are around 60 more Gitas other than Bhagavad Gita, 14 of them being from Mahabharata alone, the text which the Bhagavad Gita is part of. Many people ignorantly say that Bhagavad Gita is the holy scripture of Hinduism, and some even compare it to Bible and Quran. But that is the most erroneous proposition ever. Neither Bhagavad Gita is the holy scripture of Hinduism, nor does it represent the exclusive view of Hindu. A Hindu is free to reject and discard Bhagavad Gita outright if he wants. Bhagavad Gita is just one of the many Gitas that are there in the Hindu Indian literature. There are around 60 plus Gitas other than the Bhagavad Gita, 14 of them being from Mahabharata only, the text which Bhagavad Gita is part of. Anugita, from the Mahabharata, Ashwamedh Parva, chapter 16, conversation between Arjuna and Krishna after the coronation of Yudhishthir, considered a sequel to the prior conversation between Arjuna and Krishna before the war in Bhishma Parva, which forms the Bhagavad Gita and also gives the complete understanding of full context of Bhagavad Gita. Avadhuta Gita, attributed to Dattatreya, a key text of ascetic traditions. Ashtavakra Gita, conversation between King Janaka and Ashtavakra, emphasis is on renunciation. Vasishtha Gita, a discourse given by Vasishtha to the dejected Prince Rama, popularly known as Yoga Vasishtha. Ishvara Gita, from Kurma Purana, first 11 chapters of Uttara Vibhaga. Ganesha Gita, from Ganesha Purana, Kishkindha, Krida Khanda, chapters 138 to 148. Devi Gita, from chapters 31 to 40, 7th canto of Devi Bhagavata. Parashara Gita, from the Moksha Dharma Upaparva of the Santi Parva of the Mahabharata. Pandava Gita, from the Mahabharata. Pingala Gita, from the Moksha Dharma Upaparva of the Santi Parva of the Mahabharata. Brahma Gita, from the first 12 chapters of the later portion of the 4th Yajna Vaibhava Khanda of the Sutta Sanhita of the Skanda Purana. Another text with the same name is there in the Sarga 138 to 181 in Uttarardha of the Nirvana Prakarana of the Yoga Vasishtha. Another text with the same name is there, which was authored by Achyutananda. Brahmana Gita, part of Anugita. Bhagavad Gita from the Bhishma Parva of Mahabharata. Bodhya Gita from the Moksha Dharma Upaparva of the Shanti Parva of Mahabharata. Bhikshu Gita from the 23rd chapter of Canto 11 of Bhagavad Purana. Monkey Gita from the Moksha Dharma Upaparva of Shanti Parva of Mahabharata. Yama Gita. There are 3 texts like this with this name in the 7th chapter of 3rd Amsha of Vishnu Purana, in the chapter 381 of 3rd Khanda of Agni Purana, 8th chapter of Narsimha Purana. Rama Gita. There are 2 texts with the same name. One is there in the 5th Sarga of Uttarakanda of Adhyatma Ramayana, which is part of the Brahmanda Purana. Another one is in the first 18 chapters of 2nd Pada of Upasana Kanda of Gurudhyana Vasishtha Tattva Sarvarjana. Vichikyu Gita from the Moksha Dharma Upaparva of Shanti Parva of Mahabharata. Vyasa Gita from the Uttar Vibhag of Kurma Purana. Brutra Gita from the Moksha Dharma Upaparva of Shanti Parva and Mahabharata. Shiva Gita from the Patala Khanda of Padma Purana. Shiva Shampaka Gita from the Moksha Dharma Upaparva of Shanti Parva of Mahabharata. Sutta Gita from chapters 13 to 20 of Yajna Vibhava Khanda of the Sutta Sanhita of the Skanda Purana. Surya Gita from the first 5 chapters of 3rd Pada of Karma Kanda of Gurudhyana Vasishtha Tattva Sarayan. Vyadha Gita from Markandeya Samnyasa Upaparva of Vana Parva of Mahabharata. Uddhava Gita from the chapter 6 to 29 of Canto 11 of Bhagavad Purana. Hansa Gita, a subset of Uddhava Gita from chapters 13 to 16 of the Canto 11 of Bhagavad Purana. Harita Gita from Moksha Dharma Upaparva of Shanti Parva of Mahabharata. Normally Buddha Gita. Normally Dhammapada is treated as Buddha Gita. Jayanteya Gita from chapters 2 to 5 of Canto 11 of Mahabharata Purana. Shruti Gita from chapter 87 of Canto 10 of Bhagavad Purana. Ramana Gita based on teachings and sermons of Ramana Maharshi. Goraksha Gita, teachings of Gorakshanatha. Rishabha Gita from chapters 4, 5, 6 of Canto 5 of Bhagavad Purana. Rubhu Gita from the Shivarahasya Purana. Rudra Gita from Canto 4 of Bhagavata Purana. Kapila Gita from chapters 23 to 23 of Canto 3 of Bhagavad Purana. Uttara Gita, said to be from Ashwamedha Parva of Mahabharata. Guru Gita, it is believed to be part of the larger Skanda Purana. There are several versions of Guru Gita varying from around 100 to 400 verses. Another view is that Guru Gita is part of Vivas, Visvasara Tantra. Guru Bhakti Gita, authored by Achyutananda, one of the Pancha Shakhas. And there are several other also, like Jain Mahavira Gita, Vamadeva Gita, Adhyatma Gita, uh, Arhata Gita, Tattva Gita, uh, Prema Gita, Udatya Gita, Bhakti Mukti Pradayaka Gita, Prema Bhakti Brahma Gita, Brahmara Gita, Hanumat Gita, Janaka Gita, Gopika Gita, etc.